What is it?
We are trying the Miang Kham, the traditional welcome snack. So we make special for them for private class. You have more peanut. I have a lot. Yeah.
He loves peanuts.
Yeah, take more 4, 5 and nice.
Okay.
And the sauce. Did you have big chili in? Try to find small one.
I took the smallest I could find.
Yeah, okay, because this one's gonna be a bit hot. So yeah, a small one. And some sauce in. You sure? Okay.
It's a big no.
You're in Thailand, you have to be brave. Yeah? But you're gonna try. Ginger, lime, yeah. Sauce. More peanut if you're afraid of spicy. A lot more, like many. Then it's help to reduce the spicy from chili.
Okay.
And don't forget the sauce.
Yes.
1 spoon, a little bit of sauce. Okay, let's see, and you fold it 1 bite, huh?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for my husband.
Okay, are you ready? Cheers!
You go first.
It's very healthy, this one. There's a lot of herb in it. So you got many things explode in your mouth. You got bitter taste from lime skin. And a little bit sour, sweet, salty, spicy.